Welcome to the Bridge over the Blackout, where we explore the mechanics of uninterruptible power supply systems, or UPS. These systems are essential for maintaining continuous operation in our digital world. Our digital infrastructure faces the invisible threat. Power disruptions and voltage fluctuations are silent destroyers, risking data corruption and physical hardware damage. The grid is often hostile to sensitive equipment. A UPS is not a generator, it is a bridge. It combines grid power with battery reserve to ensure continuity. It provides a critical gap of 5 to 15 minutes, allowing sufficient time for a safe system shutdown. The anatomy of resilience includes a reservoir of built-in batteries and a distribution system with accessible outlets. This design allows for heavy-duty energy storage and immediate device connection. We classify UPS systems into 3 tiers of protection based on mission criticality. These tiers range from basic desktop defense to total data center isolation, standby, line interactive, and online/double conversion. Type 1. Standby is the reactive defender. It passes wall power through until a failure is detected, then switches to the battery. This is efficient, but has a millisecond transfer gap. Type 2. Line interactive is the active filter, featuring voltage regulation. The system actively smooths out high and low voltage fluctuations without draining the battery, ensuring clean power delivery. Type 3. Online or double conversion is the ultimate standard for total isolation. The device runs off the battery 100% of the time, continuously recharged by the grid, ensuring zero transfer time and zero fluctuation. UPS technology scales the defense to fit the load. This ranges from consumer protection for workstations to enterprise safeguarding of critical servers and industrial power for entire data centers. UPS systems are the guardians of uptime, ensuring data safety, hardware longevity, and business continuity. In an unpredictable world, the digital heartbeat must never stop.